Okay, so once you've received your wall sticker, you need to measure up the wall and make sure you get it accurately lined up and nice and straight. Then once you've done that, then apply some masking tape as shown in the video. Now what we want to do is kind of try and create a hinge type method, and as you can see, once you've created the hinge roughly in the centre of the graphic, then you simply peel the backing paper away from the application tape, making sure that your graphic is still on the tape. If it's not, then just simply press it back. Now once you've peeled the top half down, then simply grab your pair of scissors and cut the backing paper away. Now once you've got rid of the top half of the backing paper, then you simply need to grab your squeegee or your credit card, whatever you're using, and then you need to squeegee upwards from the centre and then right up vertically to the top, working your way outwards. But once you've gone to the top, then you simply need to scrape outwards from the middle, kind of like a fan shape. Now once you've stuck the top half and squeegeed it, then you need to pull the masking tape hinge away. If you find the application tape's just refusing to stick to the wall, just simply add a few pieces of masking tape just to help it stick. Now once you've done that, then what we need to do is we need to lift the bottom half away from the wall and then very slowly and very carefully peel away the rest of the backing paper, and at the same time squeegee downwards in a very gentle manner, just taking your time. There's absolutely no rush in doing this, and as you can see on the video, just simply move from left to right. Now, as I keep saying, there's absolutely no rush, there's no time scale for this, so please just take your time with it. Now once you've peeled all the backing paper away, then what we need to do is simply squeegee out from the middle outwards, again like a fan shape. Okay, so once you're happy all your graphics stuck on the wall, simply peel the masking tape away. And then what we need to do is begin peeling the application tape back, taking care that it doesn't lift the graphic off the wall. If so, then just get your squeegee and rub it over again. Now, there's no rush with this. I know I keep saying this, but just simply take your time and very, very carefully peel back the application tape. If you see any little bits wanting to lift up, just simply get your squeegee and then press it back to the wall. And then once you've finished peeling your application tape away from the wall, what we always recommend at Graphics and Tees, especially if you've had stubborn little bits of vinyl, then just grab your hairdryer or a heat gun and then put it on a low fan, and then just simply gently blow on the graphic and press down very, very finely. And then we have a nice finished wall sticker. Okay, thanks for watching. I've been Mark from Graphics and Tees, and I'll speak to you soon.